So hello guys, I hope you are doing well. And in this video, we will try to understand and learn how to download the Android Studio and how to download the previous older version of Android Studio. So I think video would be very helpful to the beginners who is want to target the career in Android Studio, Android developer. So let's get started. Firstly, let's see how to download the Android Studio Jetpack Compose, like current version of Jetpack Compose. So first, simply type on search bar Android Studio, and after clicking that, you can go with the first link where you can see this like Android Studio, and after clicking this Android now, you can get this type of interface like Android Studio, and after you get this interface, you now the Android and download Android Studio Koala. This is basically the current version of Android Studio. Guys, the Android Studio like update rapidly and update their version rapidly, so you have to up to date. So after downloading this, you have to config all the like term and conditions, and after downloading successfully, you got this interface. Like when you install and open the Android Studio, you get this interface, and you got the new project here. And so before starting that how we create new project, let's first understand how we download the older version of Android Studio. Because as an Android developer, if we want to merge any repo from GitHub, or run any app which is support older dependencies, like so we want to we have to download old versions. So simply click this like download archives. After clicking on download archives, you got this this interface, Android Studio download archives. So after scrolling down, you have to click I agree to the term, and after clicking, you got like this interface where you can find all the Android Studio version, all the previous Android version, and you can click anyone with your like desiredness. And after clicking anyone, you got Windows 64-bit link, and if you are on Mac, you got like Apple Silicon. So you can download here directly. So let's get started. Like how to create new project. So clicking on new project, you got like that interface, and here you can make app font tablet, Wear OS, television. But we have learned that we now learning how to create app for a phone and tablet. So this is basically no activity. This is empty activity. You have to first create empty activities. This is not for you. Basically, in beginner time, after when you increase your steps in Android developer, you automatically know what is this like. So first you click empty activity and click on the next button. You got this type of interface, this would be your application name. What would be what will be the your application app name. So you can write anything, my first app, and this would be your package name where all the files are stored under this package. This is your save location in your directory, and this is your minimum SDK. SDK means basically software development kit which is used in Android, and this is your minimum APK which is supported by Android. So after clicking on finish, you got this type of interface. You entered in the Android Studio, and guys, don't worry, it takes a time. It's like very time to build our model or finish our Gradle model in your device. If you have i5 or i3 version in your laptop or PC, you experience more confusable, more messy, because it's take time. And for Android Studio, like better version needed. So in my case, there is no time taken by Android Studio. It gets simply started earlier. So let's understand the basics of Android Studio software. So like if you click on that project tab, you see two type of folder. One is app and second one is Gradle script. Basically, in Gradle script, you got all the dependencies of the projects, all your properties and dependencies. Basically, this is not for you in beginner level. Let's understand like what is main activity. Main activity is a Kotlin file .kt extension where this work like the main screen or like the main launcher activity. Okay, so in app, when you click on manifest, you got like Android manifest expression XML. This file is responsible for to allow the permissions which app is like allow from the user. Like if you want to, so in Android manifest file, this basically responsible for the taking the user permissions like the if your app taking permission from the user like location permission, camera permission, storage permission. So this file is responsible for this permission. So in Kotlin Java, uh, here is a main activity in UI theme which you see here, and in REST folder is also important where you like see the travel folder where I see like your launch like background or a forehead, the icon of your app, and in your XML file, in the values file, there's a file known as color XML where you got all the colors which is by default in Android Studio. This is a string file. Like this is very messy for you at beginner level, but when you like go to deep down in Android Studio, you can easily like learn all the concept. Uh, and in description, I will provide you like the link of download archives where you download the older version of Android Studio. And guys, if you like if you like enjoyable to my video, then you can share with your friends like uh, who is want to go in the Android developer. So for this video, this is enough. Thank you.